Hey everyone, today I'm showing you how to block profile photo screenshots on WhatsApp for Android. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Then, tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. After that, tap on Privacy to access your privacy settings. Now, scroll down and tap on Profile Photo to adjust who can view and screenshot your profile picture. Furthermore, you'll see options like Everyone, My Contacts, and Nobody. Select your preferred privacy level. And then enable the Block Screenshots toggle, if available, to prevent others from taking screenshots of your profile photo. Additionally, this feature helps protect your privacy by restricting who can capture and save your profile picture. After enabling this, anyone trying to screenshot your profile picture will see a blocked message or the screenshot will fail. Now, you can also adjust similar privacy settings for your last seen, about, and status by going back to the privacy menu. Furthermore, WhatsApp's screenshot blocking feature works differently on Android compared to iOS, but both provide essential privacy protection. And that's it. Blocking profile photo screenshots on WhatsApp Android keeps your personal images secure and prevents unauthorized sharing. Let me know in the comments if you use this privacy feature.